So kind of talk a little bit about the feeling right now.
Yeah, I feel very fortunate, gracious that I was awarded this. There's a lot of good work done in Center County by law enforcement. A lot of deserving individuals of this award. I'm very happy for myself, my department, my colleagues, my family to be awarded this.
Talk about that feeling as well, having everyone here supporting you for the job that you've done to receive this award.
Yeah, it's emotional. You know, it's almost overwhelming to see everybody here. You know, obviously my family. I had some family members make a trip down for it. Officers from other agencies here, the District Attorney's office, the county, my own department. So it's very, very exciting to see this.
What does it show about you being recognized in the other nominees? What does that show about law enforcement in the county?
Yeah, I think all the nominees, any one of the nominees, if they were selected for this award besides me, they would have the same turnout as this. I truly can't say enough about law enforcement in Center County, how professional everyone is, the resources we have. You know, in a role as a detective that I served for 7.5 years, you get to go a lot of places, not just Center County. You're all over the state, quite frankly, all over the country. You meet a lot of good law enforcement officers, you know, very professional, but I can truly say, and I'm not just saying this because I'm from Center County, in Center County law enforcement, but you know, we have some of the best investigators and resources, some of the best teamwork that I've seen happens in Center County, and that's crucial to accomplishing anything in our line of work.
Specifically with the golf course case, what's that like for you to see that come to, you know, a conclusion or a near conclusion anyway, and not only, you know, have a suspect for the local victim, but also for someone, you know, 800 miles away or whatever?
Yeah, it's truly surreal to me. I'd been to a couple conferences. I had assisted with a couple of the prior Center County cases in a very, very minimal manner, but started to look through some of the old cases, and I had always heard about the golf course incident. Like I said, I approached my department, I approached the District Attorney's office, and with the idea of reopening it, and you know, was able to gain that support from everybody, knowing that it was probably going to be a slim chance that we were able to open that back up and come to a resolution that it has. And everything just kind of fell in place. There was a lot of moving parts. Again, I may have done 5% of the work for that total case. Officers back in 2000 that worked on it, other detectives in my unit that assisted me with that, the District Attorney's office, the authorities up in Michigan who I would be in communication with on a daily basis there, you know, for certain portions of that case. It's surreal that we were able to come to this kind of conclusion, and just like I said, the strength and the resiliency of the victim survivor involved, and their family in all this. I can't say enough about that, because without them, you know, this case never would have been reopened. And I think that's the most important part of it.